How much money do you send them on a monthly basis?
I send my children $750 a month.
Skirt. $55.
On top of...
I said no outburst.
A father is taking his ex-wife to court, accusing her not only of neglecting their children but also of refusing to pay child support. It's truly baffling how some parents bring children into the world only to shirk their responsibilities entirely. But what's even more shocking is that this mother's behavior is far more outrageous than it seems on the surface. Her actions reveal an even deeper level of absurdity and a stunning lack of accountability. Let's dive into this case to uncover the full story and see what truly happened.
No, my brother needs some help round about now.
Okay.
But my ex over here, Vagelina, she needs to be coming up off the insurance money for these kids. She has not given me any help as far as like taking care of these kids. And then she wants to play sports. I need help.
All right, how many kids are we talking?
3.
3? Okay, what are their ages?
16, 12, and 9.
All right.
Who kids are 16, 12, and 9? Go ahead.
You don't know?
He don't know it. Go ahead. I'm waiting.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry.
So did you say the wrong ages or something?
16, 12, and 9.
Okay, I got you. Now, you don't have to do all of that back to her.
I'm sorry, Your Excellency.
She'll have her opportunity to speak. I just want to hear your side of things going on right now. So tell me, take a deep breath, sigh. All right. Now, what is going on? Tell me the backstory.
Okay. So me and Vag got together back in the day.
All right.
We been tight, everything was good. But then she started giving me like all kind of attitude, all kind of problems. She stopped showing up at home, Your Honor.
Okay.
And so I don't understand it. So when I was coming...
So y'all don't live together anymore?
No, not right now.
And the children live with?
Me.
Okay, got it. Continue.
Now, okay, let's be straight up. 2 of the kids, mine.
Okay.
I just take care of the little third one because she won't come around.
Okay.
I mean, he all right and stuff like that, but I take care of the third one. He all right, he's straight.
Okay.
But I don't get any insurance payments or any assistance. When these kids have to go to the doctor, when they have to be out of school because one of them hurt their leg or their arm or something like that, I don't get no help. I call her. Well, that's you taking care of them kids. I know that, but
it's painfully evident that the father has taken on the full burden of raising their children, while the mother appears to be prioritizing her own lifestyle over her responsibilities. Imagine bringing children into the world only to abandon them, not just financially, but emotionally as well. The thought of how this kind of neglect could shape the children's future is truly heartbreaking. The emotional scars and the sense of abandonment could have lasting effects well into their adulthood. But this story doesn't stop here. Just wait until you hear the mother's side of the story. It might surprise you.
I understand your frustration.
Some help on this.
I understand your frustration.
Thank you.
Were y'all in a relationship?
We were married, unfortunately.
Oh, okay. So y'all are divorced.
Indeed.
All right. So you're under the divorce decree. Who had custody of the kids? Like who were? Okay, you. Okay. All right. All right.
No bread.
So there was an agreement not to receive or pay child support at the time of the divorce?
Well, I didn't really want to.
I don't think the mother should pay child support to the father. You're the father.
I'll get to you in just a moment, and we'll touch on that comment you just made.
Your Highness, see, that's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of stuff I have to deal with. She don't want to do nothing for the children. Nothing.
Okay. She doesn't come and pick them up or anything like that?
I ain't gonna say that.
Lie about it.
Excuse me. That's it.
My apologies.
Don't apologize, just don't do it. Okay?
She came and picked them kids up when they had that versus battle.
Okay.
She came and picked them up.
All right.
Other than that,
was it something special about that battle?
them kids wanted to see it, so she was down for stuff like that. Other than that, you ain't come pick them up for Easter. Not one Easter. One.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her and she gets to tell me her side?
Now, I want you to hear what she got to say right quick, because it ain't gonna be too much of nothing. I just need you to help me with this insurance.
Health insurance and child support, right?
I ain't gonna really push that, but and you know, with you being the judge, Your Honor, you can push that child support, because we need a little help. We need a little help.
Okay.
It's hard out here.
All right. Well, can I move over to her?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Hello, great evening, sunshine. Is it really my turn? You ready? You done? Okay.
Okay, all of that extra.
Because, ma'am, He's not giving you the full
You know,
story.
although I love the Vogue, we don't need it right now, okay?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't be sorry. Just don't do it. Get to the point. Let's go.
My ex-husband, when we divorced,
Okay.
I did not have the job in which I have now. That's how he received
Where do you
custody.
work at now?
I am now a building manager.
Okay.
I have been trying to get custody of my children for several months. The reason for the divorce, once I started working at the building in the beginning, I went to take the maintenance guy over to check out one of the units that needed to be serviced, and my husband was there sticking a toy in a young lady's ear.
Wait. Your Majesty, that's a desperation.
That is not a decimation of nothing, sir. You were decimating that lady's ear, sir.
First of all, both of you are saying the word wrong. It's
Did she really just accuse him of sticking a toy in someone's ear? What kind of claim is that? Either the father has been acting in an incredibly strange way, or the mother is throwing out baseless accusations to damage his reputation. It's unclear whether there's any truth to this, or if it's just a desperate attempt to shift the blame. This case is quickly spiraling out of control, and the drama is only getting more intense. Let's dig deeper to uncover what's really behind this shocking accusation.
no outbursts in here. Let her speak, and then when she is done, if I need clarification or anything, I will come back to you, okay?
I apologize, Your Majesty.
Okay, no apologies, just don't do it. It's that simple. Okay, now continue.
So, after that, I do come and pick up the children every weekend. I also pick them up on Wednesdays, correct? What do you do on?
You're talking to
I'm
me
sorry.
right now. You're not talking to him.
I pick them up every Wednesday and on the weekends.
Okay.
So that's when he go out and do his old nasty finagling with the money that I do send him. The children still call me for assistance financially because the money that I do send them,
How much money do you send them on a
I
monthly
send my
basis?
children $750 a month.
$55.
On top of,
I said no outburst. Do you want me to hear this case or not?
I really do. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
he is sorry. On top of,
I don't need you to throw jabs at him while I am addressing him, okay? You all are going to have to learn to respect each other. Otherwise, I can't get any information that I need, and I'll have to dismiss your case. And I know you do not want this case dismissed.
$750 a month on top of the insurance that I pay a month. And he just got a new car.
Okay.
And I believe he is about to move.
But he would need a car for the transportation of three
There
children.
was absolutely nothing wrong with the.
How do you know nothing? How do you know nothing was wrong with his car?
I'm there every week at least twice or 4 times to pick up and
That
drop off.
doesn't mean that nothing is wrong
Pick
with
up
his
and
car.
drop off.
Excuse me. That doesn't mean
He
that
got
nothing
a new
is wrong
car
with
because
his
he
car.
let his new girlfriend get the other car.
So are you mad about that?
No, I'm not. I'm mad that my money is not going to my children, and he has me in court asking for more money.
How do you know it isn't going to the children?
My children tell me, Mama, we don't have food in the house.
Do they tell you that or
they
you
do
ask
tell me
them?
that. Oh no, I don't have to ask them.
Well, and while
any
we're on the
question.
subject of the children, how old are they?
My children, Earth, Wind, and Fire, our children.
Well, he said
Are
one
seven-
of them. He
are-
said one of them is not his child.
No, all 3 of them, 7, 9, and 11.
That's
7,
That's far
9,
You see
and
what I'm saying?
11.
You see
And
what I'm
yes,
saying,
I do
Judge?
want them to play sports because he have them at home playing video games where they're learning to play with strippers on some video game. But the girls shaking their tail on the table, on the pole, on the video game.
This case is getting more dramatic by the moment. What started as a child support dispute has escalated into a heated personal feud between the parents, with insults and accusations flying back and forth. Despite all the chaos, the mother still hasn't given a single valid reason for refusing to pay child support or take responsibility for her children. And if you think it's intense now, stay tuned. This is far from over.
That's what he got them doing, and he want more money because I want them in sports.
What kind of sports are you
I just
trying
want them to
put
play
in?
football, basketball.
Are you
They
going
can
to
do
cover
I
that
do not
expense?
mind.
Okay.
I actually want them back. My son walked in on him and his friend with a stripper, with the coinage, because he only makes what? A garbage, you pick up garbage, drop off
Okay,
garbage.
you don't have to
That's
shade him.
No, no shade.
At
That's
least
his
he's working.
occupation, ma'am.
At least he's working.
I'm not. No tea, no shade.
My job
If
is
he can
waste
pick-
management. While she trying to trip, it's waste
Pick up trash,
management.
drop off trash, and then pick up trash and pay for it with my coinage. So I don't feel that I should need to pay him anything extra.
Okay, let me ask you a question. How long have you been giving him, like how many months have you been giving him the $750?
It's been since they've been with him, and it's been a year.
Okay.
Year.
Badge, I don't know why you lying this late like this.
That's how we doing this.
I promise you.
No, that's not how we're doing this because y'all are supposed to be talking to me.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
He
I
would.
have text messages from him where
Okay.
he's actually saying thank you for the payment. Thank
Okay.
you for the payment.
And you asked for, hold on one second, and you asked for back child support as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, they've been living with you for the past year. All right. And you're saying that's how much money that you've given him every single month. in
Every
that.
single month.
Okay. So the children do live with him, which means you should be paying him some sort of child support.
That's $950 so far a month.
Okay. I thought it was $750.
$750 plus the insurance that I'm already paying.
Oh,
That
okay.
is-
How much is the insurance?
The insurance is $200 a month.
Okay. Is that for all three of the
That's
children?
for all 3 children.
Okay.
That's a travesty. You're higher up.
1 second. 1 second. Now, is that not what she's paying? How do you know?
The money that hits that account is nowhere near it.
How much has she been giving you according to your record?
In total, I have $785 from the whole year that someone calls themselves paying. I'm telling you, it's a travesty.
How do you send the money?
I send it
Cash app.
direct deposit. It comes out of my account directly.
So is it Cash App or
No,
is
no.
it
No,
direct
no.
deposit?
It's
Are the
direct
children
deposit.
16, 12, and
No, no.
9, or they 7, 9,
They
and 11?
7, 9, and
Y'all
11.
have me so
As the young
Come
folks
on
say
now.
these days, I got receipts.
I
Okay.
have receipts also, ma'am.
So it sounds like we need birth certificates too because y'all don't know how old these kids
Let's do
are.
it. My son said he stays high. How would he know?
Oh,
I got a witness.
Bring
okay. Who is your witness? And what are they going to be a witness to?
That's my character and how she has not been paying on these bills that she's supposed to be paying on, Your Honor. I need help with this insurance.
Okay. All right, so we're going to have the bailiff get your witness, okay?
I appreciate
The mother is contributing just $800 a year for her kids. At this point, the father's story seems far more believable. Her absence, even during holidays, speaks volumes about her priorities. It's hard to take her claims seriously when her actions show so little care or responsibility.
Your Honor, excuse me. That's supposed to be my witness. What do you?
It didn't turn out that way today, Your Honor. Didn't turn out that way.
Okay, so she is your witness.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your name? Yes. Okay. Did you forget your name?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Now, Miss Shantae, what? And you will not
I got
disrespect
quiet. I got
and
quiet.
disrupt
I
her.
get quiet.
Okay, please. Thank you. Now, Shantae, what's going on? Has she been giving this man $750 a month, or is
No.
his account
No,
true
ma'am.
that it's only $700 or so dollars?
There's
in total?
only $785 that's been given the whole year.
Okay.
The whole year.
Okay. Okay, Miss Shantae.
So where's
Are
the
you
rest
sure?
of the money?
Wait, Miss
Excuse
Shantae.
me. No, you wait. You wait. You wait. I'm about ready to have my bailiff escort you out of here.
Square business, Your Honor.
You too.
I've been taking care of you.
Both of you. And Shantae, I know you just did not sit in this witness seat and start talking.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't be sorry. Don't do it. I'm going to tell you just like I told these two. Only answer the questions that I ask you, all right? Okay. So you're saying she's only given $785 for the entire year?
For the whole year.
Okay. And dad is being truthful about them living with him and everything like
Yes.
that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is your relation to this case? Because she said you were her witness.
Her witness? No.
Okay, so what is your relation to this case?
I'm his girlfriend.
Oh, okay. All right. So what you're saying is truthful about everything going on.
Correct.
Okay.
I've been taking care of her kids for the last year.
All right.
It was probably my kid's toy that he was putting in her ear.
Okay.
See, there she go with that discrimination again.
Not jealous
Defamation.
at all.
Oh, yeah.
Not
Okay.
jealous at all, dear.
Why don't you take care of your kids? Send the money.
You're absolutely
Where's the
right.
money?
But weren't you? Wait. No. She wants to talk. Now, ma'am, weren't you the
Where's
one?
the money?
No. Weren't you the one that texted
If
me
you
and
ain't talking
said,
about money, I don't hear nothing. Where's the
No,
money?
it is about
The money.
Aren't
The
you
money.
the one that said thank you,
Ching, ching,
ma'am,
the money.
so much for sending us the money for your kids?
Judge,
Because he's taking me
Judge.
on a trip next weekend.
No.
Isn't that the BS that
Mind
you
your
sent me?
business.
'Cause
We
that's
just
how
need
I
our
know that
money
my
for the
check's been
kids.
posted.
Your Honor, we're just
And
here
then,
about
ma'am,
the
when
kids.
they went on the trip there, she thought she was doing something by sending pictures of her hairy, ran
Your
down,
Honor.
run over body. Honey, don't nobody want
Your
that but
Honor.
him. You see, I left her.
See, she just goes on and on and on and on and on.
All
Your
right.
kids don't even want to be
It
with
sounds
you.
like
Just send your
both-
money.
So untrue,
It's
dear.
send your
But you're
money.
also the girl that my kids saw him doing drugs off of your belly, right?
Excuse me?
Aren't you the girl that
No,
had the
ma'am.
white
Judge,
shirt?
hold on, wait, before you go.
That was
We need
her.
a
That was
decision
her.
about this
No,
insurance.
No.
because that was
No.
her.
Lord,
So
no. We
I
need
have been
decision.
paying my coins. It's easy for
She
her to
just
say that
mad.
I don't pay, especially when he is sniffing it off of her belly region
Oh,
and when my
Lord
kids
Jesus.
walking in the room.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do because that went real left and I don't have time. I can leave.
I don't need you to do that. I promise, please.
Well, yeah. So it sounds like we probably need to reset this when you all have come.
This woman came to court counting on her witness's support, but in a shocking twist, the witness chose to side with the father and stand by the truth. Talk about a plot twist. Honestly, who could blame them? Supporting someone who neglects their own children is indefensible, but it gets even better. Just wait until you hear how much this entitled mother is ordered to pay her ex-husband. This case is a perfect example of karma in action, and you won't want to miss the outcome.
Yeah, you just took it out.
200K, Your
She makes 200,000 a year.
Okay, all right.
200,000 a year is what she makes.
Okay, thank you. Now, nothing else while I'm talking. Okay, thank you.
But they just
Health insurance, $200. You get credit for that.
Oh, no.
Your child support, because you capped out, is going to come out to $2,760 plus the $100 reimbursement, bringing your amount to $2,860 per month.
So we brought the same type of evidence in here, and because he's hunching his, I have to pay the money.
Okay, that was inappropriate, first off. Second off, I made my ruling.
Which was a great ruling, Your Highness.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure was.
You almost didn't get it because
be the
of this
glory.
behavior. All right. Are there any other questions?
No, ma'am.
As I said, if you can bring testimony, evidence is evidence. Now, you saying that he didn't do it is not going to be sufficient. You have another witness over here who says that you haven't done it. So, am I supposed to just believe? Wait a minute. Am I just supposed to believe that you have done it? You said you do it by direct deposit,
I
right?
do.
So that means you should have some slips to
I
show
do,
that
but
he's
he
not
don't have
telling the
any
truth.
either. He just have the mouth that he landed in.
Okay, well, here's the deal. I said what I said. You didn't have anything. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
No, Your Honor.
You know what?
Okay, if there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Just easy.
Talk about instant karma. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing entitled parents face the consequences of their actions. Neglecting your children shouldn't just result in financial penalties. It deserves far more serious consequences. Parenting is a responsibility, not an option, and failing to fulfill it should never be excused. This mother learned the hard way that shirking her duties would backfire in the worst way. What are your thoughts on the rise of single-parent households and irresponsible parenting? Share your opinions in the comments below. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more juicy court drama. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.